This is our Applied Technology and Trade Center. This is where our trades programs are held, and there's very hands-on learning here. For example, we have our solar panels that were installed by our construction management students on a structure that was built by our welding students.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm a student campus representative. This is the ATTC building. It is 72,000 square feet, built in 2016. It houses welding, construction, management, computer and drafting, engineering, industrial technology, and oil and gas. This is the welding program. It houses one of the largest 40 welding booths in the industry. It's training in rig, MIG, TIG, pipe, and fabrication. It has expert instructors and state-of-the-art simulators and equipment to prepare you for the industry. This is our community lab. It is free to students, staff, or community members. It is staffed by Aims students. You can create one of your projects or get help on your own ideas. You are able to use the 3D printers, robotics, and engraving for creative projects. We are now here at the Applied Technology Lab. It prepares students with the skills needed to oversee projects and coordinate with contractors, prepare cost estimates, and understand legal requirements. This lab includes student-designed snowmelt system, a working plumbing, electrical systems, and experiential learning. Also, students are able to work on collaborative community projects such as this Playhouse for local women's shelter.
Welcome to the second floor of ATTC, where you will find our computer-aided drafting program, otherwise known as CAD. Are you interested in architectural or structural drawings, or maybe even construction planning or product design? If so, then CAD is for you. Our students who choose the CAD program learn on state-of-the-art of equipment. An example of that equipment is this beautiful smart classroom that you'll find all of the latest technology. Students receive a hands-on experience in our 3D printing lab, where we have 15 3D printers. So come to Aims for your CAD training that you need for a rewarding career. On the third floor of ATTC, we have our industrial technology and oil and gas programs. Students receive hands-on training to prepare them for careers in automation, manufacturing, and process technology. Here in the Industrial Technology Lab, we have a prime example of Mechatronics simulator where students learn about automation through the use of robotics. The manufacturing industry contributes $2.9 trillion into the economy, and it continues to increase. So if you would like a job that is in high demand, then industrial technology is for you. Or maybe you're interested in a technical job where we bring energy and sustainability into the environment. Then you would look at our oil and gas program.